welcome back to Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to make Goan Goddache Fov, which is Poha. In Konkani it's called Fov, F-O-V. And it's this beautiful light dish which has not much preparation, has no oil. It's just made with very few ingredients that we have in our kitchens. So let's go ahead and make this beautiful recipe. So friends, let's see today's lovely recipe. It's super easy. Now here I'm using the medium poha, but you have to use the thick poha or the medium one. I'll explain it to you at the end of the video. Now here I've taken a colander or a sieve or a sift, and I'm going to wash and rinse this poha under running water really well. Just run your fingers through it, see that all of it gets coated and rinsed with the running water. And once we do that, we're just going to set this aside in the colander itself for 15 minutes. So just set it aside for 15 minutes. Then it becomes nice and soft and puffed up. So this is a no cook recipe, no oil, nothing used. Now here I'm grating a cup of coconut. We just need half a cup of coconut for this recipe. Now I'm going to add this cup of coconut to a large plate. Here I have half a cup of Goa jaggery that I've grated. If you don't have get this jaggery, you can use regular jaggery that you have at hand. I'm going to add just a quarter teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we are going to mix all of this really well together. Now, if you have granules of the jaggery, just crush them up along, with your fingertips till everything gets really nicely mixed up. So now we are going to add the poha to the other ingredients, and again we're going to mix everything really well. Now, since we're using Goa jaggery, so the entire mixture should be nicely coated with the Goa jaggery so that you don't have any white color left. So that way it gets nicely mixed up. And that's it, guys. It's all ready to enjoy with a nice hot cup of tea. Really simple. Now just a few tips is that you have to use this thick poha, not the thin poha. You get thick, medium and thin. You can go for the medium or the thick, not the thin poha. Now you have to, like I showed you in the video, you got to wash the poha in a strainer. You don't have to soak it in water. Just wash it really well under running water thrice, and then just keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes till it nicely puffs up. Then you're going to take the Goa jaggery. Now if you don't get your hands on Goa jaggery, you can use your regular jaggery that you have at home, the yellowish or brownish color one. Just grate it very well, because that will help in it mixing really well with the coconut and the salt. And that's about it. So it's a very easy recipe. It's pretty healthy. It's a nice evening kind of a snack with tea, or in the morning for a light breakfast. So if you like today's video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Akshata's recipes. Spread the word about my channel with family and friends. And I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye guys.